welcome back. We're looking at China, so JD.com. I'm going to tell you why I think we've got a pretty good opportunity here. But before we start, this video is not trading advice, not investment advice, not financial advice. So please do your own research before you make any trading financial decisions. All right, so we're looking at JD. Let's start at the longer time frames. We'll look at the monthly first. Got some lines already kind of put up here. Overall, we've been in this pretty nasty multi-year downtrend since 2021 February. Looks like we are consolidating here, though we are trying to make a higher low. So if I go to the weekly time frame, you can see we've got, let's get rid of this line. We've got our bottom here, and then we had a higher low followed by potentially another higher low. So that's pretty good here. And it also looks like we've got a falling wedge type of pattern. Had a double top here, swept these lows. So we had that liquidity sweep. And now the China names are showing some relative strength. If you look here at the market overall, pull up the NASDAQ 100, the Qs, we're down 0.84%, but we've been in this pullback consolidation period, and we saw something similar. We saw something similar earlier this year, around December through February, and during that time, the China names did really well. So if we look at Alibaba, for example, on Friday it was up 12.9%. Had some news, potentially they're going to create a chip to compete with NVIDIA, and we had some nice follow through today with decent volume, showing some great relative strength. And then if we look at Baidu, it's been consolidating for a while. We talked about Baidu in a previous video, starting to look nicer here. Some nice volume coming in. Price is finally above this wedge here. So overall, the China names are looking pretty good. JD has been an underperformer, but I think that now that it's swept these lows, it wouldn't surprise me to see it break out of this falling wedge here and then test this downtrend line in the high 30s. The daily time frame, some nice volume in the last 4 days, bullish engulfing candle. We are above the 10 moving average here. We're trying to fill this gap. If we can take out this liquidity here, around $33 or so, maybe see a nice gap up, then this can really move. So got my eye here on JD.com. I also like the fact that besides we swept the liquidity lows, if you draw a fib from the swing low to our highs, we're at the golden pocket, 0.618 fib retracement. It's holding that area pretty well for the past month, so that's looking pretty good. And then if we look at the RSI, we have some bullish divergence. So you can see the RSI has been going up. We've been making higher lows. while the price is making lower lows. So that's a bullish divergence on the RSI. So those are all positive signs for a reversal. For JD, I think there's also bullish divergence on the weekly time frame. Yeah. So on the weekly time frame, we also see that. So that's pretty good. We'll see. I'd like the price to take out this 10 moving average on the weekly, get out of here, this falling wedge, and then keep going. So those are my thoughts on JD.com. If you have any questions, thoughts, leave a comment below. I'd like to hear your thoughts on this stock. And thanks for watching the video.